Hello, how is today? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Alright, so today we are going to look at number work. We are going to look at what? Number work. And our topic is counting and writing of numbers. So you are going to get your book and your pencil. I hope your writing materials are there with you. Lovely. Okay, we are going to count and write together. We are going to do what? Count and write together from 101 to 200. Alright, so we are already familiar with counting of numbers from 1 to 100, isn't it? So we are going to go a step further by counting from 101 to 200. Are we ready? Okay, let's start. We are going to begin with 101. How do we write 101? 101. Have you written it on your book? Lovely. 101 is what? 101. So we move to 102. 102 is 102. After 102, we have 103. 103 will give us what? 103. We move to the next one. 104. 104 is what? 104. 105 is 105. After 105, we write 106. How do we write 106? 106. After 106, we have 107. 107 is what? 107. The next one is 108. 108 is what? 108. The next one is 109. 109 is what? 109. After 109, we have 110. How do we write 110? 110. 110 is what? 110. So after 110 is what? You can tell me what's this? 111. 111 will give us what? 111. After 111, we have 112. How do we write 112? 112. After 112 is 113. How do we write 113? 113. After 113 is 114. After 114 we have 115. After 115 we have 116. So 115 is 105, 15, while 116 is 116. Okay. 117 is what? 117. 118 is 118. 118 is what? 118. Then 119 is 119. 120 is 120. Is 100 and what? 20. So now, after 120, we have 121. 121 is 121. 100 and what? 21. After 121, we have 122. 122 is what? 122. The next one is 123. 123 is what? 123. The next one is 124. Then we have 125. Then we have 126. Then 127. So 125 is 125. Then this is what? 126. Then the next one is what? 127. After 127, we have what? 128. Then 128 is what? 128 is what? 128. Then the next one is 129. That is 129 is what? 129. After 129, we have 130. How do we write it? 130. How do we write it? 130. 130 is what? 130. 100 and what? 30. So now after 130, we have 131. 131 is what? 131. 132 is 132. 133 is 133. 134 is 134. 135 is 135. 136 is 136. 137, 137. 138, 138. 139, 139. After 139, we have 140. 140 is what? 140. 100 and what? 40. So now after 140, we have 141. 141 is what? 141. 100 and what? 41. After 141, we have 142. That is 142. Then we have 143. 143. 144. 144. 145. 145. 146. 146. 147. 147. 148. 148. 149. 149. Then 150. 150. Then after 150, we have 151. Who can tell me 151 is what? Lovely. 151. Beautiful. 151. How do we write 151? 151. Again, 151. After 151, we have what? 152, which will give us what? 152. 153, 153, 154, 154, 155, 155, 156, 156, 157, 157, 158, 158, 159, 159, 160, 160. After 160, we have 161. 161 is 161. 161 is what? 161. Then we have 162, which is 162. 163, which is 163. 164, 164. 165, 165. 166, 166. 167, 167. 168, 168. 169, 169. 170, 170. Okay, after 170 we have what? 117. 117 is what? We have 171. We have what? 171. 171 is what? 171. After 171, we have 172. After that, we have 173. 172 is 172. And 173 is what? 173. After 173, we have 174. After that, we have 175. This is 174, and this is 175. Then we have 176. This is 176, and this is 177. 177. Then this is 178, and this is 179. 178, 178, 179, 179. Then we have 180, 180. After 180, we have 181. 181 is what? 181. 182, 182. 183, 183. 184, 184. 185, 185. 186, 186. 187, 187. 188, 188. 189, 189. 190, 190, 191, 191, 192, 192, 193, 193, 194, 194, 195, 195, 196, 196, 197, 197, 198, 198. Then we have 199, 199. Okay, 199, 199. After 199, we have 200, 200, 200, 200. Beautiful. So now, that is it. This is the arrangement of numbers from 101 to 200. So now look at the board closely. After 125, we have what? Who have seen it? 126. Okay. So now look at the board closely. Did you notice that some numbers are missing? Which of the numbers are missing? A number is missing here. Which number is that? After 132, we have what? Who have seen it? 133. Which is what? 133. Then after 144, which number is missing here? Beautiful. 144. Which is what? 144. Okay. After 159 is what? Who have seen it? 159 is 160. How do we write 174? Write it on the air. Let me see. We have 174. How do we write 174? 174. Beautiful. After 196, what do we have? Okay, let's write it together. 197. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so now look at the board closely. After 167, what do we have? Okay, now let's write it together. Let's write it together on the air. After 167, we have, what number am I writing? What number is this? This is 1, this is 6, and this is 8. So how do we call it? 168. Okay. After 168, we have 169. Okay. After 137, what do we have? Let's write it together. After 137, we have, what number is that? 1. What number is that? 3. What number is this? That is 8. After 137, we have 1, 3, 8. Again, 1, 3, 8. So it gives us what? 138. Beautiful. Okay, now we are going to take homework. I believe you are there with your book and pencil. Okay, now you are going to write this out for me. Okay? Alright, this is your homework. You count and write from 101 to 200. Tell mommy or daddy to make a table for you, arrange it, count it, and write very well. Okay, now this is a number series. You have to complete the missing numbers. You've noticed that some numbers are missing here. You count them and fill in those missing boxes. So the same thing goes. There is a number that comes before this number. There is a number that comes before 163. You look for that number and write it there. Okay. So I believe you are taking note of that. Alright. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.